Hey, what's up guys? Finally, Apple released iOS 27 beta update for iPhones. And today in this video, I'm going to show you iOS 27 beta update, new features and new changes on iPhone 15. So, let's begin. Okay, first look at these new wallpapers. Simply tap and hold on lock screen. Simply tap on plus button and after tap on plus button, scroll and this is new iOS 27 new wallpapers. Simply tap and look at these dark and light both wallpapers available. This is also dynamic wallpaper. Next, lock screen customization. Guys, no big difference in customization. Look at this, same as before. All options completely same. But now you hide clock from lock screen like this. Look at this clock completely hide from lock screen. But no other changes in lock screen customization after iOS 27 update. Next, control center. Guys, lock screen and control center completely redesigned like this. In iOS 27, little bit 3D effect add on control center and look at this black border around toggles. That's why toggles more visible compared to iOS 26. And other no customization changes compared to iOS 26, same as before on control center. Now if tap and hold on home screen, now look at these. In iOS 27 customize icon change, look at this icon, and if you go to customize and if you set icons in clear, now this is completely fill realistic liquid glass in iOS 27 compared to iOS 26. Guys, this is really feel like more realistic. Look at this. In widget effect, this is dark icons. Some icons completely redesigned after iOS 27 and little bit black border add around icons after iOS 27. Now new option add in setting, simply go to setting and if you go to appearance, look at this appearance, new icon and option add. After go to appearance, simply tap on liquid glass and guys, now you control liquid glass, you set custom liquid glass like this. Let me show you in clear icons. Look at this. I set low liquid glass. Now see difference around widget. So now you control liquid glass in iOS 27. Now simply go to setting, go back in appearance, scroll, look at this reduce motion, this option add. Now in appearance and look at this power of menu. Now power of menu completely redesign. This is more liquid glass effect add after iOS 27 update. And if you go to gallery and go to option, now option UI completely redesign in iOS 27. Look at this. Add new animation and new redesign. So this is new features and new changes after iOS 27 on iPhone 15. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you next video. Bye bye.